Hello, hi everyone. In the previous video, we studied about what is the meaning of refraction and relate to the examples for the refraction. In this video, we are going to study about what are the laws of the refraction. So first, we need to understand these terms. So what is the meaning of extended object? Large objects like car, bus, candle are called the extended object and are represented by an arrow symbol. So that we call it as extended object. So your image can be divided into two different types. One is a real image and another one is the virtual image. The image is formed on the actual intersection of the light rays. It can be obtained on the screen. So that we call it as a real image. So for example, the image is found on the projector. What is the meaning of virtual image? If the rays of light responsible for an image formation do not intersect actually, the image is called the virtual image. So it cannot be obtained on the screen. For example, what is the image we are seeing on the mirrors? So that we call it as the virtual image. So now we are going to study about what are the laws of the refraction of the light. So let us consider the boundary, incident ray, refracted ray and normal. So and the point of incidence and medium 1 and the medium 2. So here what is the statement for the first law? The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. You observe the diagram. All will be incident on one particular point, that is the point of incidence. So this we call it as the first law of refraction. So what is the second law of refraction? Here we need to consider the angles, incident incident angle and the refracted angle. So the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. So that constant we call it as the refractive index. So for the light of given color and the pair of the media. So this we call it as the Snell's law of refraction. So again we can write this formula, we can write it as n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Here what is the meaning of n21? It is the optical property of the two mediums is called the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to the refractive index of the medium. So this we call it as the two laws of the refraction. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos and don't miss the next class. Thank you.